What are you doing, Xander?
Playing with the spring. No, we're doing the radiator hoses on this because they're just old and it's time. Like kind of in the, they were all like stuck. So
oh yeah, no, exactly. Sometimes you just don't have a choice.
Yeah, I mean this hose clamp, the screw came out.
Oh damn.
So the top one went fine. The cooling system doesn't look too bad. I mean, there's some.
Yeah, but that's kind of normal.
Yeah.
You know, that's not a major big deal.
But I got the top radiator hose on because I think Docky took that one off, so I just had to put on the top one.
Okay. Good, good. Oh, and it comes with a new spring in it. Nice.
Yeah.
I was almost going to say we're going to have to reuse that spring, but I'm glad it came with another new one. Because a lot of the hoses don't always come with those in them. Oh, wow. Yeah. You can see where it was rubbing.
It was rubbing? What do you mean?
Oh, it's just where it split.
I think I did that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I didn't realize that thing was rubbing, but it's not. Okay, so this one's gonna be short for what Xander's doing. So we have, the white walls have been cleaned 3 times. And if you look, you can still see the yellowing on the absolute lip. I don't want to scrub them again and try and take off color. So, well, maybe I might give them another scrub and see how they hold, but I don't think it's going to do any good. We may just have to warranty them out. I wanted to at least give it a fair shot and go, okay, well, maybe the cleaning solutions that we were using just were not strong enough.
You already mentioned that. Scotty's on repeat.
You didn't pay attention to one word I said.
No.
Then sit there and hush.
Yes, Poppy Trudeau.
Good boy.
So, like I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I said I was hoping that the chemicals, the stuff that we were using, was not strong enough. But
I got something.
the new round is good. It cleaned them, but I mean, you can literally see the brown almost all the way around the lip. I might try this one more time to see if I can get any more of the brown off. And if I can't, we're just gonna have to warranty them. It's one of those that it is what it is, you know? It's not the client's fault, it's not our fault, it happens.
Can we just blame Batman or something?
How about we blame Robin? Because he was always the little guy. Because Batman was always one that took care of everything.
Well, Robin was the bottom of that couple.
On that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, welcome to the big top.